What's going on, YouTube? So it's Friday night. Been telling Kyle he needs to come with me off-roading sometime. I'm trying to talk him into bringing his wife's Jeep, but she ain't having none of that. So anyway, we're gonna head up to Boone and go to Patriot Mountain tomorrow. So I'm just doing a little walkthrough, make sure I got everything I need here. Just a little checklist. Got my onboard air, gonna air down the tires, winch, tree saver, straps, all that good stuff, spare tire. Alright, it's morning, and as usual, I'm running late. Had to strap down the tire. You don't want that thing just floundering about. 110 pounds of death right here. So anyway, we're strapped down and gonna hit the road here. Stay. 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 All right, we're good. All right, let's get rolling. All right, look at here. All right, where is this turd? Oh, well, hey there.
Howdy.
What's going on?
Welcome.
So, I have a big surprise for all my viewers and for Kyle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he thinks we're taking this guy off-roading to Patriot Mountain, but we're actually taking the Durango Hellcat here. Gonna put it through its paces. Well, I don't think it snowed.
No, but it's all-wheel drive. Probably do it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna... How's the clear cut on this thing? It's pretty tight there, so... You got insurance on this, right?
Somebody else does.
Well, that's all I needed to know. Righty. I believe we are here. We only went by it 3 times. But let's go.
Some dude was really giving us the eyeball sitting in front of his house.
Oh, that's all right.
I never knew this was here.
Isn't it cool?
It's right in front of the Mass General Store. Never ever have seen it. It's like really just subtle.
Yeah.
You can't bring anything wide through
All
here.
visitors check in.
Wow, you really need to have something hardcore to get up in here. There's a Doge.
Yeah, there's a dog. A dog.
A dog.
There's a dog that just wanders about out here.
Doges. they're all probably saying. Dang, look at that guy. He's serious. He came here to party. He's come here to party.
I'm a member of the Southern Four-Wheel Drive, whatever the A stands for. Don't remember. Oh, crank that battery up. All right. Well, we are gonna check in and air down and get ready to go.
A few moments later.
All right, we're all aired down. Let's get moving. Should have put a tennis ball on the back of that antenna. Where, Kyle, you want to go left or right?
Is that even a question? Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Oh man, 3 different. Well,
oh,
they're
wow.
Yeah, they're right up there. I'll go this way.
We just keep picking steeper.
I might need the locker for this.
Probably.
A lot of people take pride in not using their lockers. I want to use my lockers. Hey, I paid for them. Why not?
I guess so.
Oh man, like it's nothing. Like
this will be fun right up here. Yeah, dip. Right.
Hey, look, it's your name.
Huh?
Kyle.
Whoa. Basically just took a shortcut around them.
Yeah.
They weren't kidding when they said it was muddy.
Yeah. I guess we'll go left here. My turn signal. Oh.
Is it the mud or is it the tires that makes it, or both? And it feels so slippery.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably the mud.
I've never been off-roading like this before.
Yeah, it's
just the URE a couple times. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
just go straight.
That's what I was wondering.
Just don't get impaled in the face by that tree right there. Oh, he's going for it. He's going straight. Woohoo! All right. Tires down just gives you more contact path, right?
Yep. And it's safer on your tires. If you hit something, there's more give in them, so you don't pop something.
Yeah.
If you're going to be bouncing on rocks. Doggies. Can't tell if I'm good to go.
Where do we go?
That didn't sound great.
What was that? Just a drop?
Probably.
But I want to go up those big hills that y'all are blocking.
Good thing you got rock sliders.
Yeah. Dents are just badges of honor, you know that, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure if this is a trail or... Yeah.
Crazy. Ah, it's all right. Thought I was gonna get washed out for a second.